Right then guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset the service light on a Citroen Berlingo van. So this is the new modern van. If I turn the ignition on, you can see by here in the left hand mileage counter, you can see the orange spanner has come on. There's also a little spanner down in the center display. You can just about see it next to the trip and the mileage just by here. So we're going to be resetting them lights. So this is the button we're going to use on the left hand side. So what we're going to do is press the button with the ignition off and then turn the ignition on, and then you should get this little countdown timer. So it'll count down from 10 seconds. Once it gets to 0, there we go, we can release the button. And that's it all done. So you can see now the spanner's gone off, and obviously both spanners are gone. Now if you want to obviously check it, you all you got to do is press that little spanner button and it'll come up with how many miles left till service. So yeah guys, hope this helps.
And if you get value from this video, hit the like button and subscribe to support this channel. And if you get value from this video, hit the like button and subscribe to support this channel.